Hello, my name is Wayne Alexander, and today we're going to take a look at creating teams in CRM and then assigning records to those teams. Now, Teams is a new functionality available in CRM 2011 that wasn't available in CRM 4. And teams are similar to marketing lists in the sense that you can create a team and assign users to that particular team. And the great advantage about creating teams and assigning records to teams rather than to an individual, perfect scenario is if an individual went on a holiday, the visibility of that particular record might be lost. Whereas if it's assigned to an entire team, then there's still visibility there within the system. Okay, I can confirm I'm using the web version. The Outlook version is exactly the same process. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on settings and then on administration, and I'm going to go ahead and select teams. Now what we're going to do today is we're going to create a sales team. So I'm going to go ahead and click new, and I'm just going to type in here sales, select an administrator. Administrator is going to be myself. Administrator's somewhat similar to owner, and my default queue that I'm going to use, I've created a queue here called sales. I can put a description if I want about this particular team, but I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now, the great thing about teams is you can assign a security role to a team, and whichever has the higher privileges, the security role in the team or the security role that the individual user has, that security role will take precedent. So in other words, if you were to assign system admin security role to this to a team, but the member only had salesperson, they would automatically have sysadmin privilege because they're assigned to that team. So be careful when assigning security roles to teams. You can also assign field security profiles to teams. In other words, if you created a field security, a field with security on it, and you gave certain privileges, you can assign that directly to the team. Bear in mind, one other thing with security roles, you can actually create a user in the CRM system, not assign them a security role, but assign them to a team, because once a user gets assigned to a team, it takes on the team security role. But bear in mind, if you do that, if you remove the user from the team, then they'll no longer have a security role, hence they can't access the CRM system. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and click on security roles here, and I'll just quickly add a role. So let's just go to manage security role, and I'm going to go ahead and add sales manager. Click OK, and then I'm just going to go ahead and save and close. And what we just done there was created a team. Now if I was to go ahead and jump back into my sales section, I'm going to go ahead and go to accounts. Really straightforward, assigning a record to a team, exactly the same process as assigning a record to a user. So I'll select party favors, click on the assign icon. I'm going to just check the mark to assign to another user or team, select my lookup, change from user to team, and you can see there we now have sales. I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and click OK again, and what I just done there was assign that security role to that sales team. Okay, so I showed you how to create a team in CRM and how to assign records to that team. Thank you.